Managing application uptime, performance, and cloud costs is difficult without a centralized observability platform that can collect and analyze all of your AWS resources in a single place. However, setting up AWS monitoring at enterprise scale across dozens to hundreds of AWS accounts is a complicated and multi-step process. Gathering telemetry, creating dashboards, and setting performance thresholds create significant operational overhead. Such a single solution gives you one place to correlate the performance data of your entire AWS infrastructure and all of your apps, so you can rapidly solve performance issues, manage your cloud resources, and cost. With this release, you can get started faster with one-step instrumentation, multi-account onboarding, agentless EC2 monitoring, automated dependency mapping, and pre-built dashboards that provide contextual insight across your AWS environment. In this data byte, I'm going to walk through some of these exciting updates. You can now access insights into your AWS environment faster than ever with a simplified onboarding experience. The new onboarding experience for AWS improves the process from 30+ clicks and interactions to less than 10 clicks, so you can get started faster than ever. With this update, we are reducing the friction for customers by automating the process using a CloudFormation template. This is now the default and recommended way to set up your AWS integration. We select CloudWatch metric streams, click on Continue, and then directly from here I can launch the CloudFormation stack for AWS. I can enter all the necessary information, and once I've done that, I can click on Create Stack to configure the integration into my account. This is now all I have to do in order to set up the integration, and I can then have full visibility into all the things that I'm running in my AWS account. In addition, we are now also offering Agentless EC2 monitoring. Easy setup for EC2 environments without the need for agent installation and configuration. Traditionally, monitoring cloud-hosted instances with New Relic required installing infrastructure agents on each virtual machine. While effective, this approach can be cumbersome, especially in dynamic cloud environments where instances are frequently provisioned or terminated. With Agentless EC2 monitoring, you can simplify your monitoring setup significantly, removing the need for manual agent installations and configuration. New Relic detects and monitors your cloud host instances, creating entities for the same, providing comprehensive insights into each host's performance, resource utilization, and health. New Relic's multi-account onboarding workflow allows customers to set up observability for hundreds of AWS accounts quickly, significantly reducing operational overhead and costs. Instead of linking each of the individual AWS accounts to New Relic, you can connect multiple accounts with a single AWS account which receives metrics from multiple other AWS accounts. To send not just metrics, but also tags and metadata so that they can use the same New Relic account to see the information. Once instrumenting your AWS telemetry to New Relic, you will be able to view all your data in a new AWS experience, the Amazon Web Services landing page. We will now have a common page for AWS CloudWatch metric streams and AWS polling, and yet have options to configure them individually. The landing page shows all the cloud entities in a single page. This makes it easier than ever to see all your AWS environments on a single screen and correlate data across apps, infra, and services. New Relic also has over 100 integrations with pre-built dashboards to monitor all of your services in a snap. We now provide out-of-the-box dashboards for Amazon CloudWatch metric streams integrations for the most popular services.